How much do you know about the current state of the semiconductor industry and its importance in our daily lives? Semiconductors, the tiny chips that power our world, have never been more crucial. From our smartphones and laptops to cars and even refrigerators, semiconductors are the backbone of modern technology. Their significance extends beyond just powering our devices. They are the lifeblood of our digital economy, influencing industries from tech and telecommunications to automotive and healthcare. The story of the semiconductor industry in the year 2023 is one of rapid growth and innovation. A key driver of this growth is the surge in artificial intelligence or AI stocks. Companies like Nvidia are leading the charge, with their revenue guidance reflecting the boom of AI chips in the market. This has led to a significant surge in AI stocks, adding nearly $200 billion to Nvidia's market value in a single day. But they're not alone. Other semiconductor companies such as Taiwan Semiconductor, Broadcom, and AMD are also experiencing significant growth. Another exciting development is the move by tech giants to develop in-house semiconductor chips. Google, for instance, is planning to build its own chips for its Chromebook laptops and tablets, starting in 2023. This strategic move, inspired by Apple's development of its own iPhone chips, could allow tech companies to create features specific to their products and reduce reliance on suppliers. The rise of AI has been a game changer for the semiconductor industry. It's not just about making our devices smarter. AI is reshaping the industry landscape, driving demand for more powerful processors and presenting new opportunities for growth. So what does this mean for the industry and us as consumers? Well, as AI continues to evolve and tech giants develop their own chips, we can expect to see faster, more powerful devices and applications that we can't even imagine today. Stay tuned as we delve deeper into the story of the semiconductor industry's growth and the role of AI. The semiconductor industry has experienced a tremendous growth spurt in recent years. But how did this happen? Let's take a leap back in time to trace the trajectory of this fascinating industry. In the early days, the semiconductor industry was a niche field catering to specific technology needs. The demand for semiconductor chips was largely driven by the computer and smartphone industries. But as technology advanced and diversified, so did the applications of semiconductor chips. They began to power a myriad of devices, from cars to home appliances, and even space satellites. The real turning point in this growth story, however, came with the rise of artificial intelligence. AI applications have an insatiable hunger for processing power, and semiconductors are the perfect meal to satiate this hunger. With AI, the demand for semiconductors skyrocketed, giving the industry a much-needed boost. But the story doesn't end there. The growth of the semiconductor industry was further propelled by tech giants developing their own in-house chips. Companies like Google and Apple started to design and manufacture their semiconductor chips based on their specific needs. This trend of in-house chip development not only increased the demand for semiconductors, but also allowed these tech companies to reduce their reliance on external suppliers, thereby fueling the growth of the industry even further. The growth of the semiconductor industry is also a testament to the relentless pursuit of technological advancement. Companies in this space are constantly innovating, pushing the boundaries of what's possible with semiconductor technology. Be it the development of more efficient chips or the creation of new chip architectures, the semiconductor industry never ceases to amaze us with its innovations. The growth of the semiconductor industry is a story of innovation and relentless pursuit of technological advancement. The industry has come a long way from its humble beginnings, and given the current trends, it's safe to say that its growth story is far from over. This is an industry that's always on the move, always evolving, and always looking ahead to the future. And we can't wait to see what it has in store for us next. Artificial intelligence has become a buzzword in the tech world, but what role does it play in the semiconductor industry? Well, it's quite significant. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is more than just a trendy term. It's a transformative force that's driving demand and shaping the future of the semiconductor industry. Firstly, AI applications require a lot of computational power. They need to process vast amounts of data quickly and effectively. This is where semiconductors step in. They serve as the brainpower behind these AI applications, enabling them to perform complex tasks at lightning speed. Secondly, AI has been instrumental in making semiconductor manufacturing processes more efficient. From chip design to quality control, AI algorithms can predict potential issues, optimize processes, and even automate certain tasks. This not only reduces costs, but also improves the quality of the final product. Let's not forget about the surge in AI-powered devices. From smartphones to smart homes, AI is becoming a staple in our daily lives. Each of these devices requires semiconductors to function, creating a massive demand for these tiny yet powerful chips. Moreover, AI has also opened up new avenues for the semiconductor industry. Take, for instance, the autonomous vehicle market. These self-driving cars rely heavily on AI to navigate and make decisions. And guess what's at the core of these AI systems? Yes, it's semiconductors. But perhaps the most significant impact of AI on the semiconductor industry is the emergence of AI-specific chips. These chips are designed specifically to handle AI tasks more efficiently. Giants like Google and Nvidia are leading the way, developing their own AI chips and contributing to the growth of the industry. So in essence, AI is not just another customer for the semiconductor industry. It's a key player that's pushing the industry forward, driving demand, and opening up new opportunities. AI has truly revolutionized the semiconductor industry, driving its growth and shaping its future. The future of the semiconductor industry looks promising, but what can we expect in the years to come? As we gaze into the crystal ball of the semiconductor industry, a few key trends emerge. One significant development we're keeping an eye on is the growth of artificial intelligence. AI has already begun to revolutionize the industry, driving demand for high-performance chips that can handle complex AI tasks. This trend is likely to continue, with more and more companies developing AI technology that requires powerful semiconductors. In addition to AI, we're also seeing an interesting shift among tech giants. Companies like Google are starting to develop their own semiconductor chips. This move towards in-house chip production could have a profound impact on the semiconductor industry. By producing their own chips, these tech giants can tailor the technology to their specific needs, potentially leading to more efficient and powerful devices. However, this move also comes with risks. Developing chips in-house requires significant investment and expertise. It also means less reliance on traditional semiconductor manufacturers, which could shake up the industry dynamics. Yet, it's a trend that's gaining momentum, with more companies likely to follow suit in the coming years. Another area of potential growth lies in the realm of quantum computing. While still in its early stages, quantum computing promises to revolutionize the tech industry. Quantum computers require a new type of semiconductor, one that can handle the complex calculations and immense processing power of these machines. As quantum computing evolves, we could see a whole new market opening up for semiconductor companies. In the meantime, the demand for semiconductors in traditional areas, such as consumer electronics and automobiles, is expected to remain robust. As our world becomes increasingly digital and connected, the need for powerful, efficient chips will only grow. So, what does all this mean for investors? Well, it suggests that the semiconductor industry is far from reaching its peak. There are numerous opportunities for growth, driven by advances in technology and changing market dynamics. And while there are certainly risks involved, the potential rewards are significant. The future of the semiconductor industry is bright, and it's a space worth watching. Let's summarize the main points we've discussed in this video. We began by examining the current state of the semiconductor industry, noting the incredible momentum it's gained in 2023. The widespread adoption of artificial intelligence has driven a massive rally in this sector, leading to soaring valuations. But we also noted that not all semiconductor stocks have participated in these big gains, creating opportunities for savvy investors. We then delved into the growth story of the semiconductor industry. Major players like Nvidia and Texas Instruments have been at the forefront of this growth, with the Morningstar US Semiconductor Index gaining a remarkable 77.8% in 2023. This stark contrast to the broader market index's modest gains underscores the transformative power of the semiconductor industry. Our discussion then shifted to the role of artificial intelligence in the semiconductor industry. AI has been a game changer, reshaping the industry landscape. Companies like Nvidia are leading the way, with their stock price surging by an impressive 188% in 2023 alone. Looking ahead, we explored the future prospects of the semiconductor industry. Using a rigorous screening process, Morningstar identified several undervalued semiconductor stocks with promising potential. These stocks not only have solid Morningstar ratings, but also possess what's known as an economic moat, or a competitive advantage, setting them apart from the rest. In conclusion, the semiconductor industry is poised for a bright future, driven by the rise of artificial intelligence and the untapped potential of undervalued stocks. As we move forward, these factors will continue to shape the industry, offering exciting opportunities for those willing to delve deep and uncover the hidden gems within this rapidly evolving landscape. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more insightful videos on the world of tech and investments.